There's Owen laying here on Wednesday morning. He has the hiccups. See? Hey, baby. Hey, Owie. Oh, there's a loud one. Hi, I see you in the mirror. There you are. Hi. What you looking at? The window? You want to go out? You want out of here?